Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Name of the subject Mathematics, Standard 8, topic Area Part 6. Name of the teacher Mrs. Snehal Sarvaiya. Chapter 15 Area. In this video we will learn what is area of circle, circumference of circle and practice set 15.6. Children, here you can see a circle with radius r. Suppose we have a circle of radius r and diameter d, then area of circle is equal to pi r square and circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r or pi d. Let's start with practice set 15.6. Question 1. Radii of circles are given below. Find their areas. First, 28 centimeters. Solution. The radius of the circle r is equal to 28 centimeter. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, which is equals to 22 upon 7 into 28 into 28 is equals to 22 into 4 into 28, which is equals to 88 into 28, that is 2464 square centimeters. Therefore, area of the circle is 2464 square centimeters. Let's see question number 2. Radius is 10.5 centimeters. So let's find out the area of circle, that is pi r square. So 22 upon 7 into 10.5 into 10.5, which will give you 22 into 1.5 into 10.5. We will divide 10.5 by 7, so we will get 1.5, which is equals to 33. Now this 33 came from 22 into 1.5, we will get 33 into 10.5, which is equals to 346.50 square centimeters. Therefore, area of the circle is 346.50 square centimeters. Third, radius is equal to 17.5 centimeters. Let's find the area of the circle, that is pi r square, which is equals to 22 upon 7 into 17.5 into 17.5. Now we will divide 17.5 by 7, so we will get 2.5. So 22 into 2.5 into 17.5 is equal to 55 into 17.5. When we multiply 22 and 2.5, we will get the answer as 55. So the answer is 962.5 square centimeters. Therefore, area of the circle is 962.5 square centimeters. Question 2. Areas of some circles are given below. Find their diameters. First, 176 square centimeter. Solution. Area of circle is pi r square. So the area of circle is given, that is 176 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. So 176 into 7 upon 22 is equal to r square. Therefore, r square is equal to 56. Therefore, r is equal to root 56. Therefore, diameter is equal to 2 into radius, which is equal to 2 into root 56, that is 2 root 56. Therefore, diameter of the circle is 2 root 56. Second, 394.24 square centimeters. Solution. The area of circle is 394.24 square centimeters. So, area of circle is pi r square. Let's substitute the values. That is 394.24 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. So, here we are converting the decimal into the fraction. So that is 394.24 will be converted into 39,424 upon 100 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. Then we will take the reciprocal of 22 upon 7 and multiply. So 39,424 into 7 upon 100 into 22 is equal to r square, which gives us r square is equal to 256 into 7 into 7 is equal to 100. We have factorized it. Again, r square is equal to 256, that is square of 16, and 7 into 7 will get square of 7, and 100 is a square of 10. Therefore, r is equal to 16 into 7 into 10. We have taken the square root. So the value of r is 112 upon 10, that is r is equals to 11.2 centimeters. So diameter is equal to 2 into radius, that is 2 into 11.2, that is 22.4 centimeters. Therefore diameter of the circle is 22.4 centimeters. Question 3. 12,474 square centimeters. Let's see the solution. Area of circle is 12,474 square centimeters. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. Let's substitute the values. We will get 12,474 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. That is equals to 12,474 into 7 upon 22 is equal to r square. Therefore r square is equal to 567 into 7. That is r square is equal to 81 into 7 into 7. R square is equal to 9 square into 7 square. Therefore r is equal to 9 into 7. So r is equal to 63. Diameter is equal to 2 into r, that is 2 into 63, that is 126 centimeters. Therefore diameter of the circle is 126 centimeters. Question 4. Find the area of the circle if its circumference is 88 centimeters. Let's see the solution. Circumference of the circle is 88 centimeters. So the formula is 2 pi r. Let's substitute the values. 88 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. So 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22 is equal to r. Therefore r is equal to 14 centimeters. Here area of circle is pi r square, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. That is 22 into 2 into 14. That is 616 square centimeters. Therefore, area of the circle is 616 square centimeters. Question 3. Diameter of the circular garden is 42 meters. There is a 3 meter wide road around the garden. Find the area of the road. Here you can see the figure. Let's see the solution now. Diameter of the circular garden is 42 meters. Therefore, radius is equal to r, that is 42 upon 2 is equal to 21 meters. Width of the road is 3.5 meters. Therefore, radius of the outer circle, capital R, is equal to r plus width, that is 21 plus 3.5, which gives you 24.5 meters. Area of the road is equal to area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle, which is equals to pi r square minus pi r square. We'll take pi common, so capital R square minus r square. The value of pi is 22 upon 7 in the bracket 24.5 square minus 21 square, which gives 22 upon 7 in the bracket 600.25 minus 441, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into 159.25 is equal to 22 into 22.75, which is equal to 500.5 square meters. Therefore, area of road is 500.5 square meters. Thank you.